what's up guys, the Airsoft here. Today it is time to start the King Arms CQB-R project. So I disassembled that guy, and now it's time to start to make it a CQB monster. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install the new barrel. Right, so it's a nice CQB barrel, so just slide it in there, and that way, that's better. Just screw it. And one thing when you install your inner barrel is to check if you have any wobble. So now that's pretty tight, otherwise you need to put the barrel nut washer in there. If you don't have a AR wrench or something and you don't want to scratch the paint or anything, you can just grab a towel or some shit. And proceed to tighten it. I need to open that a little bit more. There we go. So now that's tight. No scratch, right? Now I'm gonna install mine guard. This is the one I got for. I think it's pretty cool. This is straight up from wish.com, I think. But first of all, I was like, yeah, I don't know. That looks good, looks quality. All mesh and aluminum and all that stuff. So that's pretty good stuff. Super simple to assemble. The only thing, some edge or sharp as fuck. That's the only thing. And it's super tight in there, that's good. That's a really good thing. No, you just put your two screw back. And there we go. So now one thing I want to check out is how to the barrel. This is not that one. This is a 229. So I think it's gonna come out a little bit. So I'm gonna already do a barrel hop up and all that stuff right now, just to make sure, you know, if I need an extension or something like that. So I'm gonna check that out right there. So that's a 6.02 229 from Maple Leaf. You know, you can't go wrong with that. I have a ginger up right there, and I have a Quantum Friction Pro High Performance bucking. This is the flat up version. Yeah. So that's some pretty good stuff. Of course it's a CQB gun, so you know, I don't necessarily want it to be a fucking DMR type of deal, but you know, it's always nice to have some good quality bucking and all that. So let's go ahead and install that. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to put and some, let's drop up this guy right there. This is some silicone grease, right? So and slide that guy in there. That's pretty tight, bro. Pretty tight. There we go. It's perfect. Now, I really like the G&G up right? But that port is annoying as fuck. It's really hard to put that guy in. Sometimes I fuck a lot with it. Sometimes it's not too bad. Depends. Yeah, that's one thing. Like, get in there, but doesn't want to go back. I think I got it that time. Yeah. Well, it was not too bad that time. So I just snap it back. So there we go. So we now have a very nice bucking in there. And if we go max up, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's blurry as fuck, of course, but you know, that's a good amount of a pop in there. I'm gonna slide it there, I'm gonna see if it fits or not. I don't know, you can see the bevel just come out just a little bit, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna add that guy anyway, so that's all fine. Well, this is Airsoft line Sound and Fire. So I think that looks pretty good, right? Gonna adjust a bit more. That's pretty nice. With a nice red dot in there and all that. So you know, that's pretty much it. Of course, I'm gonna need to put the O-ring or a spring in there. I know, but that's just what I wanted to see. Okay, so now it's time to install that ETU, right? So first of all, I want to remove those two guys for the Jet Blaster magazine or whatever it is. And get off a goat. There we go. Just need to cut those guys. Throw it in the trash. So inside the box of the ETU, we're gonna need two things. First of all, is that little plastic washer. So keep it around. Another thing is the sticker to protect the back of the MOSFET, the ETU, you know, whatever. So we are gonna install that. Yeah, as you can see, there's two parts you need to remove in there. Let's go ahead with that. install that into the MOSFET. So shaky tonight. Too much coffee. So that's pretty good. And as you can see, all the little soldering point and all that stuff. It's all protected, right? So that's why you need that guy. But it's right on top of that, so I guess it's fine. This is the first time I'm installing it. So now we need to drop it into the gearbox and see if we need some modification of any sort or whatever. Yeah, I hate that. Yep, it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna need to grind that big thing. Oh, I changed gearbox. And I kind of want to go with the next gearbox. Yeah, that sucks, bro. I'm not gonna be able to do that tonight because my girlfriend and the baby sleep right now. Okay, so now I remove it. As you can see, super smooth and all that. It was a fucking nightmare because those gearbox are super tough, right? And yeah, that's a bit of metal dust in there. So once that is complete, when you want to do those kind of jobs, bushing, it doesn't matter. But your bearings, you want to cover it with something. Personally, I use a masking tape or frog tape, so I don't put the glue on it or whatever. Yeah, so we're gonna have a really nice low next gearbox, right? So those guys are super tough. I've done a little bit of radius in there. I got an enlarged cutoff, for the warriors, and I removed that guy right there. And the thing is on 2 bushing and 1 bearing. Those are 8 mils, I think. So it's gonna be super smooth, super nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a great day. That was the Airsoft Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one.